Hi, it's a snowy day, and it's so blowing hard, and you can see the snow deep in the car and stuff like that. And this car got way down of snow.
The wheels.
Everything is very snowy, and they can't move the car because it's so snowy. And you can drink hot cocoa. Everything looks different. I don't know this. You can play. Mr. Frank's our neighbor there. It's so deep that you can't walk, and it's very snowing. It's December, and I'm 8, and my brother's 5 years old.
It's a winter.
And it's winter. Winter, spring passed, so my mom shovels, and I wish my dad can help my mom. And it's so, I think you're helping us put the snow in the sign. And everybody can't go anywhere. Birds can fly. You can't go anywhere because it's very deep snow. And my dad's and my mom's car are kind of, he's done. When my mom's done with those snow, I think she's gonna clean the cars.